My name is Devashri Bhaumik and I hail from Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh. Before joining IFMR as an MBA grad, I did my bachelor's in culinary arts from Culinary Academy of India. I have a work ex of 26 months at the Lalit Hotels as a management trainee in the kitchen department. Recently, I concluded my summer internship at HSBC. I was placed in Bangalore in the lending department of business banking. I interned in the lending department under the business banking arena. It was a completely different setup for me. I went from knives and kitchens to boardroom meetings and client interactions. From the very first day, my mentor showed immense faith in me and he told me what my job role would entail. It had to be connecting to MSME clients, especially to priority sector lending. And there I had the opportunity to connect with directors head on. I was going to meetings, I was setting up meetings with directors and understanding what their financial needs are. Being a global bank, HSBC's brand name is world known, and that is what the directors showed the faith in as well. Although I was just an intern, they took no time to converse with me. They gave me full of their time. I set up meetings with them. I went on client calls with my manager as well. It was an extremely enriching experience. I understood what a company really needs, how you navigate about it. A conversation with a client might start with a working capital requirement and might go to somewhere else completely. But that's how you navigate through the conversations. And that is where HSBC helped me hone my skills, not only about knowing the financial terms, but also with client interactions and soft skills. Why IFMR? Simple. It's where diversity meets opportunity. I have batchmates from backgrounds like medical, agriculture, and engineering as well. Since it's a finance college, it does not restrict itself to only people from the commerce background. Even a chef turned finance enthusiast like me has an opportunity here. With faculties from diverse backgrounds and immense industry knowledge as well, we get hands-on experience from evaluation of accounting statements to classroom exposure as well. IFMR has helped me get more confident about my skills and what I can and cannot do. And that's why I chose IFMR.